In this module, we are going to talk about global justice movements. The global justice movement is comprised of following: indigenous people from different parts of the world, human rights movements, ecology movements, anarchists, socialists, communists, left leaning groups, NGOs working on multiple areas also joined social justice movements, trade union activists. The participants of social justice movements are from variety of backgrounds. It is a network of local movements all around the world. The objective behind this global justice movements is just to create that harmony among the global communities where people could have even distribution of economic fruits in the result of processes of the globalization. Global justice movement opposes to the following: neoliberalism, free trade, privatization, market liberalization, deregulation, reduced social services. Global justice movements gained momentum soon after the successful protest at Seattle. Anti globalization protests increased near the meetings of international organizations and alliances. World Bank, International Monetary Fund (IMF), World Trade Organization, Group of 8 (G8). Global justice movements demanded for the increased accountability of supranational institutions. These movements demonstrated their opposition to capitalism. It also condemned imperial powers that want to divide the countries. Under global justice movements, the protesters were of the opinion that capitalist system need not to monopolize the economic resources of the developing world. And if it is importing the raw material and transforming it into finished goods, it must be given back to the periphery or the semi periphery with less rates as compared to those high rates that believes in maximizing the profit of the developed states. It is also looking for the rights of the labor class, which is usually exploited by the developed countries because they import all the skillful labor, or you can say majority of the members of the labor from developing country, and then they exploit, the developed countries exploit that labor. Therefore, such social global movements were based on one objective, that developed world need to distribute economic fruits equitably among the nations of the world.